What do you think of a fully customizable plant stand? Start small and grow as your plant grows. 1, 2, 3, 4 levels. With the premium tomato cage, you can have this. I got this product for review and I am so impressed. The stakes are super sturdy with a steel core and a thick plastic outer layer. The plastic connectors and connecting bridges are extremely versatile, letting you build whatever you want. Let me show you just how easy this is. I simply place the stakes in the ground where I want them to be. I can make them as deep as I want to make them more sturdy, and then I simply connect them. I can make it more narrow and expand out as it goes up, or do it however I want the design to be. They snap in simply. Now I could stop right here and have 4 of these 16-inch high stands, or I can keep going up. Going up is super simple. Just add the connectors, add more stakes, and connect them together with the bridges. And what I love is that I don't have to have this tall tower in my garden when I don't have a tall plant. I can add this as the plant is growing, so I can adapt it to my plant. With this kit, I could stop here and I could build another 2-level 34-inch plant stand, but we're just going to go straight up and see how tall I can make this. As I keep going up, it remains sturdy the whole way up. The only weakness is how soft the ground is at the beginning, so be sure that you have those bottom stakes in well. And it can get up to 68 inches tall. It is so tall when it's at 4 levels, and it is exceptionally impressive. Now, this is for tomatoes, but it can be used for any plants. You can use it indoors or outdoors, and it's also easy to take apart when not in use. I do recommend taking off all the bridges to start and then pulling the stakes apart as they get really well connected, and it's much easier to pull them apart once they're out of the ground. So you can easily tuck this away for the season and not have tall tomato planters stuck in your garden all winter. Totally love it.